Central County 911 is a dispatch agency for fire and EMS. We cover about 500 square miles. We have 32 departments, and that's a mix of fire and ambulance.
We really like the Getac V110s for its ruggedness, for its ability to handle harsh environments. These are in fire trucks and EMS apparatus. They aren't always in the best conditions, and we needed something that would work through that.
We have about, I would say, 300 units plus.
What we really liked about the Getac V110 was the ruggedness of it, a smaller form factor which gave the space for the crew in the cabs, and also the price point. Very good price point compared to other ones that we looked at. And when we're staring at close to 300 units at one time, that becomes a big deal.
We picked the Getac V110s because we didn't have to have multiple things in the truck. A computer screen, a keyboard, and a docking station. The Getac V110s, it had everything.
Really what positioned the V110 to be the best choice for this project was the form factor, the ruggedness, and the price point. The V110 has a smaller form factor than its competitors, but still just as rugged.
These guys can take these out literally one swoop, move it around, flip it over, and dock this thing back into its station, and they can use it in tablet mode.
The Getac V110s take up a much smaller footprint inside the cab of both the fire trucks, the command vehicles, our ALS ambulances, all of that were spaces at a premium in those locations. They're a lighter weight piece of equipment than the older laptops were.
When the guys saw that the tablet mode was available, that didn't see these products beforehand, they were, wow, I can't wait.
They also have a more robust touchscreen design. Seems like it's more reliable for us. We have a lot less problems with them, less IT support. They also have a nice pivoting screen on them, so if you need to turn it where you can see it better from the passenger side in the ambulance or something like that, where you don't want your driver necessarily interacting with that screen, that's a nice plus as well.
With our implementation of these laptops in the front for our CAD system, really what kind of drove us towards the Getac was the fact that we had seen them in the backs of the ambulances that were being utilized by the medics, and we're like, hey, what is that? That's pretty cool.
I know of one of our other ambulance districts, they have moved towards these Getac V110s. Actually, 2 departments now have. They love this product. It's something they can easily give off to a patient. They turn it in a tablet mode and say, here, sign this.
We use the Getac to do all of our EPCR, our electronic patient care reporting software, is all kept on that, which simplifies things for the crews quite a bit, and is actually increases our accuracy on those events as well.
We've been really happy with Getac just because of their customer service, the quality of the product, and the price point that it brings. Anytime that we've worked with Getac on a product or a solution, Getac's always been able to come to the table and meet the needs.
They're lightweight, they're smaller, they seem to be very robust. I don't think we've had any that have broken because of, if we can break something, it's going to get broke. So I think they've worked out pretty well for our organization.
And it's easy to set up an RMA. These RMAs that they have is simple. I send it off, 2 days later, I get the product back.
Very positive. The V110 fits our needs.
The solution has been the best product we've had.